In this video, I will show you how to create an infinite carousel using nothing but CSS. You have probably seen those endless logo sliders or testimonials carousels on websites. But did you know how you can create that effect using just CSS? Today, I will show you how to build a smooth infinite carousel in just few simple steps. Here is the idea. We want our cards to slide continuously, and once the last one leaves the screen, the first one should appear again, creating a smooth loop. But there is a catch. The problem is when we scroll a set of items, how we can make sure that after the last item goes out of view, the first one comes back in smoothly, so the animation feels endless. You have probably seen this effect in low sliders and other websites as well. So let's build it step by step. First, let's create the basic structure. We need a container called carousel, and inside it we will place some card element A, B, and C. Think of them as a placeholder for your image, banner, or text. Now, here is the trick. We have to just wrap these cards inside a group, and now let's style it. If I just refresh, you can see we have three cards. Now let's style it. So here, add overflow hidden to our carousel and then style the group. Here, add display flags and then add some gap and margin. But we have to make the cards width more. For that, I will use flex. If you want to know more about flex, you can check out my video. I will provide the link in the description as well. We have to just add the keyframes, that is scrolling, and when it will 0%, it will transform to 0 to 100. Now let's add the scrolling to our carousel. So here add the will change transform and add the animation scrolling 10 seconds linear infinite. So it's start working, but there is some gap and we have to fix that. Now for the animation to look infinite, we need to duplicate the group of cards. That way, when one group scroll out, the other one is smoothly taking place. In CSS, we will use split flags on the group so the card sits side by side. Each card gets a fixed width, same color, padding, and rounded corner just to make it look nice. So you can see, guys, it's a perfect infinite scroll. And now what I want, when I just hover on these cards, it will stop. For that, what I will do is to just add carousel hover and inside the group add the animation to pause. That's all what we have to do. And if I just move here, and you can see, guys, it stopped. So let me show you again. So if I just move on the cursor, it stopped. That's what we want. So that's it, guys. Your infinite carousel is ready with your CSS. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, drop a comment if you want more CSS tips, and of course subscribe to Pro for more coding tutorials. See you in the next, guys. Happy coding.